And most of us are called for proof, not only of the Olympics. We have to prove the All Africa Games in Ghana. We have to prove the African Cup of Nations in Ivory Coast. I can tell you, the billions Mr. President released for payment of Super Eagles allowances, they have not been paid. They have not been paid.
As we speak?
As we speak. I challenge anybody to come here and present to you that they have been paid. They have not been paid. These girls that you saw, the Tigres, they did well. Most of them are in diaspora. They take their career on their own, sponsor themselves to get to where they are. Even the coach, Wakama, who turned out to be the best coach of the Olympics, all that she has done, she was in diaspora. There is nothing we contribute as a nation to their development. These are some of the things that we always lament and we talk about. Everywhere in the world, sports is a private sector-led industry. It's never a government thing. Government only provides the enabling environment. In Nigeria, it's the other way around, because government always release money to the industry. And most of the things our administrators do is to blackmail the government. Nobody does that anywhere in the world I have seen.